Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share a review of Credit Karma's Credit Builder feature and what it's like using it to help build or improve your credit score. Credit Builder is a tool Credit Karma offers that lets you add positive payment history to your credit profile by saving money in a Credit Builder account and making regular payments. The idea is that as you make on-time payments, those payments are reported to the credit bureaus, which can help strengthen your credit over time. When you sign up for Credit Builder, you'll open a separate account where you deposit funds. The amount you choose to save becomes the basis for your Credit Builder loan, and Credit Karma reports your payments to the credit bureaus each month. It's a way to build credit without taking on a traditional loan or going into debt, since the money you put in is secured and held while payments are recorded. One of the biggest benefits of Credit Builder is that it encourages consistent on-time payments, which are one of the most important factors in your credit score. The process is straightforward, and the dashboard makes it easy to track your progress and see how your credit may be improving over time. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. Because the funds are held in the Credit Builder account, you won't be able to access that money until the program term ends or you complete the schedule. Also, the impact on your credit score depends on how the payments are reported and other factors in your credit profile, so results can vary from person to person. Overall, Credit Karma's Credit Builder feature is a solid option if you're looking to build credit responsibly and prefer a secured way to do it without high fees or traditional loans. It's not an instant fix, but it's a useful tool for long-term credit improvement. If you've tried Credit Builder, let me know your experience in the comments below. And if this review helped you, please like and subscribe for more honest financial reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.